Who did that?
Must have been the wind.
Jam.
It was not me. I said it was the wind, dude. Come on now.
Told you who attacked you in the bottom left.
It's only 60 health. What? It's okay.
What the fuck? Damn.
Anyone go the other way? Other side?
Oh, they're coming secret. Two behind us.
I saw two back there. You could run through and try to plant.
I almost killed you, Hank. We could go in this way.
Yeah, just try run it. Just run it. Full speed.
Right.
Holy shit. Holy fuck.
12 rounds left. Oh, it's just me and
40
him.
seconds. You could grab bomb and go the other way. The fucking 1,000-yard.
1,000-yard sprint. Go.
Watch this.
Somebody waiting mid. Oh.
Did open that door. Oh, I think I juked him though. I think he's at truck.
Wow.
No fucking way this worked. No fucking way.
I gotta leave the door open or he's gonna know I'm here. Maybe.
You got it.
Yeah, I guess he probably doesn't have a kid, huh? That's awesome. I'm still probably gonna die. Yo.